Can we log out of KakaoTalk? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can log out of KakaoTalk or not. So let's just get out of the process and see that. For that, you can go ahead and open up your KakaoTalk application, and once you've opened it up, you'll be finding this interface on your screen, or you'll be finding all of your chats. So unfortunately, KakaoTalk doesn't let us log out from KakaoTalk. We don't have the option available of the KakaoTalk logging out, but instead, in order to log out, you can follow up this method. For that, you can go ahead and open up your main settings of a device, and once you've opened it up, you can scroll down, go to the app section. And under app section, you're going to look out for the KakaoTalk. Just go ahead and find it. And after you open it up on your screen, and once you are here, what you're going to do is simply go ahead and uninstall the application. So if you uninstall the application and reinstall the application into your device and try to log in, you will be finding yourself being logged out of that particular application. And for now, that is only the method we can apply up in order to get out of the KakaoTalk application. So you can also follow the same process for that. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.